Hey eco-friends! I hope you and your loved ones are staying safe at home. Today I'll be showing you my second quarantine recipe video, and if you want some more pantry staple ideas, then you can always follow me on my Instagram. Today I'm going to be using some frozen and thawed tofu here because that's what gives it a very chewy texture. But you don't really need to do this, and if you don't have time, then you can just use regular tofu. Or, as for most of these recipes, you can also use just any kind of plant-based protein that you have on hand, like white beans, kidney beans, soy curls, or even cauliflower. Most cooking recipes are very versatile, and you can experiment. Don't be afraid to use tomatoes instead of tomato paste, as long as you use more tomatoes, garlic powder instead of garlic, ground ginger instead of ginger. Well, you get what I mean. Let's move on with the recipe. I'm telling you guys, this could not have turned out better. Look how creamy that is. Top this with cilantro for a fresh garnish and eat with rice, roti, quinoa, or any grain you like. It's just so fragrant and so flavorful. You can even eat this as a soup if you just water it down. Feel free to add more veggies to the pot if you have some on hand, and make it your own. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you have any questions, please comment down below and I would be happy to answer them. If you want to see more videos like this, then please subscribe and hit that notification bell to be alerted whenever I post my video. Until next time, thanks for watching, and stay home if you can help it. Bye!